Okay, so a little bit of background to help you understand question 5. So females have 2 X chromosomes and males have an X and a Y. So for males, whatever you get on your X chromosome, that on the one that you get is everything, would dictate everything for every cell in your body. For females, what happens is that actually each cell has either one or the other X that's working, and the other one is turned off. So we call that X inactivation. So even though women have 2 X chromosomes in every one of their cells, really only one is working. So that we don't have twice as many genes active as males. Does that make sense?
Yeah, so it would be the same X working in every cell.
No. So for women, what happens is that when you have about 100 cells, when you're at the 100 cell stage of development, of fetal development, randomly, one or the other of your X chromosomes will just turn off. And then that cell will go on and multiply and divide and become a big swath of your body.
Okay.
So there are actually some skin conditions where we have like these genes that produce the color of our skin, like how dark it is. And at the 100th stage of development, half the cells, or on average, would turn on the one, darker color, and the other half of the cells turn on the lighter color.
And so all of my cells turned on the lighter one.
Well, you probably didn't have that big of a difference between your two. But what can happen is if there's a change like that, then those cells go on to develop like a whole swath of your body, so you can actually have these swirls on your skin, because kind of like all the cells that came from one of those early X chromosomes or early cells that had that division happen would be like all the ones in this line would be from that one cell, and all the cells in the next line would be from that. Because, right, like you start with those 100 cells and they become the whole rest of your body.
Right.
So does that make sense so far? Okay,
to me, to them, probably not. But yeah, go ahead and answer that question now.
Okay, so what it's saying is that the black color is on one of the X chromosomes. The gene for that is the big B. And then the yellow color is on another option that could occur on an X chromosome, and that's the little b. So women could have either 2 big Bs, right? In which case, if they have 2 big Bs, it doesn't matter which one of the X chromosomes turns off. That's always going to produce the black color. So their whole body would be black. You can have women where they get 1 big B and 1 little b. And so in that case, you'd have some that turned off the big B and some cells that turned off the little b. So you'd actually have a woman then that had a combination of colors, right? Because some of their cells would be expressing the black and some of their cells would be expressing the yellow. So they would actually have both colors, and they would be a tortoise shell, right, cat. And then you could have some women that have just 2 small B's, and then it doesn't matter, again, which one is turned off. All they're producing is yellow, so that would be a yellow female cat.
Right.
Now, it's different with the male cats because they only have 1 X chromosome. So they either get the big B, in which case they would be black, or they get the little b, in which case they would be yellow. But they never have that circumstance where they're getting a big B and a little b because they only have the single X chromosome. So they can't have some of their, cells producing the yellow color and others producing the black color, because every cell has only that one.
Right. So, in other words, you're saying that question sucks.
No, it's a very interesting question. You just have to have a master's degree in genetics to be able to answer it.
All right. So I'm just going to let everybody get credit for that question. Thank you. Thank you very much.